इस दुनिया को सजाने संवारने में इंजीनियर्स का रोल काफी अहम है। इस देश की तरक्की में इंजीनियर्स का रोल काफी अहम है। कर्नाटक की दो अजीम शख्सियत हाजी नबी शरीफ और डॉक्टर मुमताज अहमद खान ने 1980 में गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग की बुनियाद रखी और इस ग्रेट इंस्टीट्यूशन से निकलने वाले इंजीनियर्स भी इस देश की तरक्की में, इस दुनिया की तरक्की में काफी अहम रोल अदा करते हुए आ रहे हैं। रियासत कर्नाटक के डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस डॉक्टर एम सलीम ने इन ख्यालात का इजहार किया।
And since 1962, the trust became an engineering college in 1980, thanks mainly to Janab Nabi Shareem Sahab and also another very, very legendary person in educational field, Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahab. Because these two great personalities, unfortunately who are no more, they laid the foundation for an institution of such an eminence today that every student who studies here and passes from the portals of this college feel very proud to be a Ghousiana Engineering College product. And I'm sure that once you complete your course here and pass out of the portals of this great academic institution, you will be, they can say, shining example who are likely to change this world for a better place.
13 मई 2026 गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग रामनगर ने अपना एनुअल डे मनाया, गौसियाना 2026 मनाया। इस मौके पर गौसिया कॉलेज को दुल्हन की तरह सजाया गया। गौसियाना 2026 के चीफ गेस्ट डायरेक्टर जनरल एंड इंस्पेक्टर ऑफ पुलिस डॉक्टर एम सलीम थे। गौसिया तालीमी इदारे के चेयरमैन नवाज ए शरीफ, सेक्रेटरी उमर इस्माइल खान, प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर एन कुमार, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर डॉक्टर एजाज अहमद, गौसियाना 2026 के कन्वीनर डॉक्टर सैफुल्ला खान व दीगर मौजूद थे। स्पोर्ट्स और कल्चरल प्रोग्रामों में हिस्सा लेने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को इनामात से नवाजा गया। आला पुलिस ऑफिसर एम सलीम ने कहा कि अच्छे अखलाक से ही अच्छी शख्सियत बनती है। स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर्स मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनैलिटी। सेक्रेटरी उमर इस्माइल खान ने स्टूडेंट से, नौजवानों से दरख्वास्त की कि वो मनफी सोच से बचें, नेगेटिव सोच से बचें, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग डेवलप करें। पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग रखने वालों को ढेर सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगी। चेयरमैन नवाज शरीफ ने कहा कि पिछले 15-20 साल में जो गैर मामूली तरक्की हुई है, मौजूदा दौर के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट ने खानदानी विरासत से कई गुना ज्यादा दौलत हासिल की है। तो नौजवानों के लिए मौजूदा दौर एक सुनहरा दौर है। भले ही चैलेंजेस मौजूद हों, लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटीज ढेर सारी हैं। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
वॉलीबॉल रनर टीम सईदा रुशाने सिराज एंड सईदा अफीफा।
मैं अपने फन की बुलंदी से काम ले लूंगा, मैं अपने फन की बुलंदी से काम ले लूंगा, मुझे मकाम न दो, मैं खुद मकाम ले लूंगा। We roll down a red carpet of welcome to the galaxy of intellects, eminent invited guests, dignitaries, excellencios, and my dear Gaussians.
The just descends and the spotlight narrows. It amplifies the magnitude of the occasion that we are here to witness. I, Zoya Saida Ahmed, along with my co-host, welcome each and every one of you to Ghousiana 2026.
Our Nobel laureate nominees have come over here in order to talk on waste management hazardous using IT solutions and also AIML. This was held in the last month, February. It is a very topmost event. I am very proud to place before you. And we had IEEE International Conference for 2 days, including online. This was held by the Department of Computer Science. And also there was an international internship program. This was also a diamond beneath the foot. This was done as per the Vice Chancellor's this one, and many are involved in this. Dr. Sridhar Saraswati from Scotland, and he had come here, and our management also discussed about international internship we are trying. That is one of the point. And also Mrs. Hasina Safdar Basha, Solicitor and Commissioner of London. She visited and gave international expert talk on higher education opportunities in UK. And also, I am very happy to tell that one of our 8th semester student, Prajwal Banekar, Information Science, he was selected globally for paid online internship from Google, $3,000 for 3 months. He is the son of a farmer from village near Gulbarga. Very happy to place before you Mrs. Deepa Shri, Department of Computer Science. She got 10th rank in Computer Science from VTU MTech. Next is, we received more than 3 awards and another about to we get for the college. Most Promising Engineering Institute Award we received on 7th February from India Education Summit, Hotel Lee Meridian, New Delhi. Most Promising College for the year 2025 at Neo Convention, Hyderabad. Outstanding Institute with Excellent Infrastructure and Green Campus Award at 14th Indian Education Summit, New Delhi in February 12th, 25. And we are about to receive in next week Platinum Suitable Sustainable Campus Recognition Award for Earth Week we did in this college. And Government of Telangana, they are going to give us the award. These are the 4 awards. And also to the principal also some awards. Best Principal among VTU. Principal of the Year Award. Plus, and also one more principal of the college is going to get National Laureate Award at University Summit by Media Solutions by next Thursday. So this shows the overall what work we are doing. I am very happy to place, and all this because of the students and excellent staff.
रहती उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती हो जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद शाहीन कभी परवाज से थक कर नहीं गिरता शाहीन कभी परवाज से थक कर नहीं गिरता पुरदम है अगर तू तो नहीं खतरे उफ्ताद I request sir to address the gathering.
Respected Chairman of Ghousiana College of Engineering, Janab Nawaz Sharif Saab, Honorary Secretary of GIET, Janab Umar Ismail Khan Saab, Principal Acharya Dr. N.S. Kumar Sir, Dr. Saifullah Khan Sir, respected members of the faculty, my dear young budding engineers and students. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Umar Ismail Khan Saab for inviting me here to witness Ghousiana, the annual College Day celebration. In fact, this is my second visit here in Ghousiana College. Previously, I had come for a similar function and I was quite inspired. And also thank the Master of Ceremonies for giving a very lavish praise and introduction. Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to congratulate the students for coming to this prestigious college, because this college has a history. I think in 1962 a small trust was founded by Janab Nabi Sharif Sahab, he was one of the leading philanthropist figure of Ramnagara town. And since 1962, the trust became an engineering college in 1980, thanks mainly to Janab Nabi Sharif Sahab and also another very, very legendary person in educational field, Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahab. Because these two great personalities, unfortunately who are no more, they laid the foundation for an institution of such an eminence today that every student who studies here and passes from the portals of this college feel very proud to be a Ghousiana Engineering College product. And I'm sure that once you complete your course here and pass out of the portals of this great academic institution, you will be, they can say, shining example who are likely to change this world for a better place. In fact, I always consider the objective of life or the objective of every human endeavor is to make a difference and to make a change so that we can make this world a better place to live. Towards this endeavor, towards this task, in fact, human beings right from Stone Ages have been struggling. Right from Stone Ages, people are I can say every human being is struggling hard to ensure that this world becomes a better place. And in that journey of civilization, I can say, great personalities, great people, they have done a lot of hard work, a lot of commitment to innovate things and make this world a better place to live. In fact, imagine a life, say about 100 years back or 200 years back. We never had the facilities what we have today. In fact, I came from Bangalore to this place, Ramnagara, in just 45 minutes. Otherwise, say 100 years back, it would have taken days to travel from Bangalore to Ramnagara. But I think today, because of innovations, because of those hard work and those sacrifices, today we have very good life. In fact, the distance is nothing today. In fact, we do chatting, sitting here to our American relatives and friends, and even people in Europe also we chat just like we are across the table. So that is how people have, I can say, the human endeavor has made this life a better place. And towards that end, it is now, I can say, the contribution, if you see, just look back, say about 200, 250 years, what contribution engineers have done. It is the engineers, basically, people who are bent of technology, who are having passion for technology, passion for innovation, that they have made this much difference. And I'm sure all of you who are here today are going to be those catalysts, and they are going to make those become those change makers when you pass out of the portals of this great institution. And I'm sure that with the able guidance of our principal Acharya N.S. Kumar sir, I think, no, I don't think any other, because I was just reading the report of the college for the last 1 year and the laurels which the college has got. And I'm quite sure that, you will be equipped with that, I can say the energy and to a large extent the substance, so that when you pass out, you will become change makers to make this world a better place to live. In fact, apart from making, I can say, bringing changes in the world, the most important thing is the creation of great personalities. Because unless the institution where you are educated, institution where you are trained, if you are not made as or you are not imbibed through a rigorous way, in such a way that you cultivate yourself or you imbibe yourself and mold yourself into a great personality, then it may not be so difficult. I can say it will be very difficult for you to make some changes in this world. So, how to develop a strong personality? The most important thing is to have a strong personality, one should develop a strong character. A strong character is a prerequisite for becoming a strong personality. So, the great character comes, I can say, through those great human qualities, which, just we sometimes what we call as the guldasta of good human qualities. They constitute the strong character. What are those great human qualities? These are basically truthfulness, integrity. Integrity not only financial but also intellectual and moral integrity. Then third one is the belief in right values. Belief in right values and moral courage. Even if the world is against us, if we feel that what we are doing is right, then I think we have to be steadfast in what we believe and what we are doing as right. So these are some of the human qualities which constitute as a strong personality. And if you have this, develop yourself into a strong personality, then definitely you are going to make a change. And you can make this world a better place for generations to come. Because our ancestors, the previous generations, have done a lot of hard work, lot of commitment, lot of sacrifices. And that is the reason why, as I have already told you, we are having a better life. And it is now our duty to ensure that the children who are going to come next, the next generation, they will have much better life than what we have today. These are some of the, I can say, academic things what I feel is generally, I can say, a hard burner for the students when they pass out of the portals of this college. Now coming to the career as such, because generally I always advocate civil services as a career for all the students, in particularly the engineers, because generally engineers are quite sharp, because compared to any other academic field, generally it is the engineers, because of their sharp mind, who are able to crack these some of the toughest exams. So civil services is one of the, I can say, career opportunity for students, particularly after engineering. And if you see the statistics today, if you see the last 10 to 12 years, the successful candidates, almost 70 to 75% are engineers only. So that is the reason why I feel tempted to invite all of you to join our services, either as Indian Administrative Service, IAS, IPS, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Revenue Service. There are about almost 20 different services wherein you can definitely contribute to the society and also to help to achieve nation building. So that is the reason why I always advocate that one of the best career for any student, particularly engineers, is civil services. Okay, generally engineers are well paid, particularly people who are in the certain streams, or civil engineering, or even computer science, or other disciplines. You may have better careers in your respective fields, but having that experience and of innovating things and also doing hard work in studies, then definitely it will help you to become bigger, I can say, administrators also. So we need, because since the world is changing and a lot of dynamics are there, wherein it is required that intelligent and people with lot of intellectual capability should come in services to govern the nation and to serve the society in a much better manner. So towards this end, I urge all the engineering budding engineers to kindly think civil services as one of the important career option for yourself. Then, since I see a lot of youngsters here, a lot of young people are there, again I am tempted because I am known for traffic management and road safety. So I always have free advice, I can say, as a parting gift, a free advice I give is to follow traffic rules. and be safe on roads. Because young life, particularly if you see the road accident statistics, almost 60-65% of the people who die in road accidents are from the age of 18 to 35, and that is not the age to die. It is, everybody has, can see youngsters with thousands of dreams in your eyes. But these dreams, we have to fulfill these dreams. And if we have to fulfill these dreams, we have to live. We should not die. It's very important that we should live. Okay, we cannot take our dreams to our graves. So it's very important that we should live. So if we have to live, then we have to follow all the traffic rules. Particularly youngsters, when they are on the road, if you are driving two-wheelers, kindly wear helmet. If you are driving cars, please wear seat belts and ensure that you follow all the traffic rules, and not only be safe but also ensure the safety of others. Because since a lot of people have that penchant for donating blood. Okay, if you are donating blood or donating your life, it is for some good cause. It should be for nation or for the society, not under the wheels of a lorry or a truck. Okay, that is utter waste of life. So kindly ensure that you follow all the traffic rules, and most importantly, live to see that you fulfill all your dreams and make a difference in this world and achieve whatever great things you want to achieve in this life. Thank you very much once again, and I hope that the Golden Jubilee, that is 4 or 5 years down the line from Ghousiana Engineering College, I will be invited. Even if I am not invited, I will come, because I want to see the great institutions completing 50 years and that legacy which can continue forever. So thank you once again. Thank you.
Moving forward, his mission is to serve the society. A man who stands first at the time of need. He has that legacy in his blood from his father, right? With profound respect, with these lines, I invite our Honorable Secretary, Mr. Umair Ismail Khan, to grace the stage. तदबीर के दस्ते ज़र्री से तकदीर दरख्शां होती है, तदबीर के दस्ते ज़र्री से तकदीर दरख्शां होती है, खुदरत भी मदद फरमाती है जब कोशिश इंसान होती है. Over to you, sir.
Welcome to your annual day. I'm sure happiness and a joyous annual day. A quick introduction about the trust. In 1962, Ghousiana Industrial Engineering Trust was formed by Haji Nabi Sharif Sahib, who donated his own personal land, about 5 acres, in the heart of Bangalore. And then even though the gentleman was not educated, he formed a trust with all educated people with an immense love for education in the name of his father, Ghaus Sharif. So then the trust was called Ghousiana Industrial Engineering Trust. And then they started with an ITI in 1981. When my father, Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan, joined the trust as a secretary, he was inducted into a trust and made honorary secretary. They started the engineering college in this campus. Not in this campus. In Bangalore, we started a polytechnic in the Bangalore campus, and we started an engineering college in Ramnagaram town, in a very small building inside town. Then later on, they bought this land, and now there's 24 acres of land here, and 8 acres of land behind to develop further. And that's how it started. And then now we have a PUC college in this campus, diploma, BCA, BBA, and PUC, Diploma Engineering. And of course in the Bangalore campus we have another engineering college, Ghousiana Institute of Technology for Women, the only second engineering college only for girls, that's in Bangalore. And of course we have Polytechnic and ITI in the same campus in Bangalore. And as the trust moves on, we have after my father, Dr. Ahmad Sharif Saab, became the chairman, and he ran the trust well, and I was honorary secretary at that time. After his passing, he is most eligible trustee for the post of chairman. Nawaz Sharif Saab became the chairman, who runs more than 100 hotels in Bangalore. He's only about 51 years of age, and he has this famous Sharif Bhai and Amiz Biryani and any other brands as well. So all over you can see his brands. He has developed his business. Now his sons are there. His sons are married now. He's got his grandfather also. In a young age, he achieved quite a lot. Then after, of course, we have in this moment we must remember our Dr. Ahmad Sharif Siraj, who passed away in February. The same day we had the Indo-American program, so we had to attend the program and run back to his funeral. And we let his God rest his soul in peace. So this college is the idea of starting a college in rural areas. The benefit of that, most people, most students who wouldn't have the chance of becoming engineers have become engineers only because of the presence of this college in rural areas. More than 200 Muslim minority girls have become engineers of Ramagaram town, otherwise which have not been possible. And again, the same way my father started a medical college in Bijapur, Al-Amin College, Bijapur. Bijapur was the most forsaken place in Karnataka, and it was really dying. And when at that time Dr. Ramakrishna Hegde allotted the medical college there so that the new life could come to that place, and it happened like that. And now thousands of people have become doctors from that college. More than 20,000 students have become engineers from this college. So students, as the Dr. M.A. Saleem Saab was speaking, a few points I noted down. So it's not in order, as whatever he was saying, thoughts that came to my mind, I wrote it down. So a few points I will share with you. First of all, about India. See, whatever you see in the media, in the news, don't go by it. As I go through my house, when I stay in Koramangala, I'm surrounded all along by non-Muslims, Hindus, Christians, everyone. We never ever had any problem with them. In fact, we help each other, we love each other, we support each other, we respect each other. This is how it is in thousands of people. So any kind of misunderstanding, remember, you see some bad news, some Muslim was beaten up somewhere in UP or in Assam and Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh somewhere. Remember, every day, thousands of Hindu doctors are saving lakhs of Muslim lives all over India. Thousands of Hindus and Muslims are studying in thousands of Christian institutions all over India. And that's how, and we are being treated in hospitals run by Christian missionaries. That's where we studied, that's where we were taken care of when we were not well. So this kind of service continues all over India. Hindus, Muslims, Christians all live in harmony, in peace, in love. That is what our religions preach. India is still the best place for everyone to stay. So that's how it is. Don't be carried away by any kind of wrong misimpression in the media. Sir was talking about safety in the road because young people are dying in accidents, etc. Earlier, every year, 2 or 3 students of Ghousiana used to die in road accidents. It was a rule. Always, I remember, the fall used to come in the midnight. Some boy was coming, truck hit him, and he died. Near Bangalore, this Bangalore-Mysore road was a bad road with a lot of curves and blind spots, and that used to happen. Thanks to the government of India that they put a new road. Before this road came up, there was a proposal to widen the road across on the main road, this main road that we have. And then many people objected, sir, why should we give our land to the government, to the road? Let them give us a compensation and all that. My father said, if this is going to save human lives, let us give the road first, then we will talk about compensation. So you will see from this old Mysore road, there is no stretch from old Mysore road to Bangalore that is as wide as it is in front of the masjid here. You see when you go out, you go and see the span of the road, from our masjid to the other side of the road. No other road is as wide in the old Mysore road as it was here, because my father said it is better to save lives than to save land. Let us give the road to the community, So that's one thing from our contribution. Also, there is always a mindset of half glass empty or half glass full. If you have a glass of water and it's half full of water, there are people who will say the half glass is full. The other people will say the half glass empty, which means that is a positive attitude and negative attitude. All of you all should be of the attitude of saying half glass of water is full. That is how you should be. There are people with me, I'm surrounded by people wherever I go. I speak to them. I try to be as positive as possible, and they try to be as negative as possible. I say, India is a great country, it's growing, there are so many jobs. They say, no sir, we read in the newspaper, lakhs of jobs they've lost. What do we do next? So everything, there is always a negativity. Remember, dear, the world is run by God. It is God's land. God runs it's God's government. God runs the world. Can a great God, a powerful God, run a negative world? It is not possible. It has to be a positive world. It is a great world. So all of you all should always have the attitude of seeing the half glass full, not the half glass empty. Coming to my staff here, very good staff, very good. All these functions are possible for us. If we stay in Bangalore, we come here, come directly for function, go back. Why is it possible? Because people like Saleem, Saifullah, Atifullah, and all the other support staff who are here, they take great care of all the events. They keep everything. These young people, they work very hard. So I'm grateful to all of them. Today, before I left here, I went to my mother. I met my mother. She's very old now. She's about 85 years. And she has lost her memory and she's become very weak. I held her hand and shook hands, touched her feet, and then I come here. Why I do this? I do this because I know when I do that to my mother, I have pleased God and Allah is happy with me. That is why I do it. So all of y'all, please remember to respect your mother as much as possible. Take her blessings, take good care of her. If you don't take good care of your mother, your God will be unhappy with you. If God is unhappy, you lost everything. So please take good care of your mother, respect your parents, old parents. As I always do that, and I know if I have a blessings, I'm safe. So all of y'all, I have my advice to you. Please take good care of your mother. Give a lot of respect. Don't argue with her. Y'all are young. Anyway, I'm old, so my mother is also old. You're young, so your parents will be young. Don't harass them for good stuff, for expensive stuff. See, what if they can provide you whatever mobile phone they've given you, whatever laptop they've given you, what they are feeding you at home, what they are clothing you, is the best that they can afford. Don't harass them. Don't trouble them. As a chairman of Alameen Education Society, many parents come to me and say, sir, in your college, the fees is about 70,000 for a particular course. For another college, it's about 3 lakhs. But my daughter is insisting I want to go there. And then when I argued it and told her there's the same course, same degree, she said, you should have thought of this before you gave me birth. Before you gave me birth, you should have thought of this. Now that you have given me birth, you put me in the most expensive college and take care of me. That helpless lady is going all over begging money to pay her fees. So don't do that. Don't trouble your parents. Whatever they give you, it's the best. Be content with that and try to, in fact, take care of them. Sir, Dr. M.S. Saleem Saab is an old student of Alameen College. That is the pride of Alameen. And my father used to respect him a lot. And he also respected my father a lot. So that kind of bonding we had. We also gave him the Alameen Community, All India Community Leadership Award a few years back. Sir has gracefully accepted that. See, there are, now in the world you will see, there are people who have the bad qualities such as greed, anger, frustration, and hatred, and cruelty. And they are also living their lives. And there are the others who live with love, generosity, kindness, happiness, patience. So you can choose which way you want to live. So always remember to live that this is the right way. That when God created a human being, the angels came and told him, why did you create him? We have seen a lot of bloodshed and badness in the world already. Why do you create again another creature like this? Then God said, I know what you not know. But the angels were not wrong. The angels had seen that part of the human being that was going to spread this kind of evil hatred in this world. But God also had seen that there will be another side to this human being. So we should be that side of God that God expects from us. Generous, kind, noble, patient. This is, and not the other side, which the angels saw and got scared. That is cruelty, bloodshed, hatred, etc. So let us all try to be on the good side of what God expect us to be. For students, a bit of advice, a few lines of advice, a few points of advice before I wind up. First, obedience to parents. Please be obedient to parents as much as you can. Be humble and be kind to them and listen to them. Obedience to teachers. Follow your teachers. Don't be arrogant. Don't be smart. They have lots of years of experience. They are working here sincerely to see that you get good results. You're not smarter than them. Please be obedient to teachers. Be regular in your studies. And always be willing to serve and help your family members, your friends. Whenever there's an opportunity to serve, help, you should be the first to reach there, in your friend's house, your relative's house, in college, anywhere. Please be the first to always be ready to serve. Responsible use of mobile phone. Please use your mobile phone responsibly. It's a great device. There's a lot of goodness in that. Please use it responsibly. Don't see it for too long. You'll spoil your eyesight. The blue light that emits from it damages your eyes and rest of the body as well. So take good limited use of mobile phone and use it well. All of you all should play some kind of sport. Some kind of sport is important. Girls and boys, some kind of sports is important. Please play some sport. If you can't, at least go to the gym. Those who are talented and play some sports, though or not, the gym is the ideal place for those who are not talented to play sports. Please be regular to the gym. Also, no bad habits. Smoking will damage your lungs. Alcohol will damage your liver. And any other kind of bad habit, please avoid all those bad habits. Be in good company and live a good, clean life. My last point before I wind up, this is about charity. One of my friends, they're very regular in charity, etc. They, for somehow in business, they got lost in business and they forgot to give the regular zakat, the charity that they used to give. And somehow the well they had in their shop dried up. They didn't realize. They thought, okay, if everyone says somebody put a borewell next to my house, some other borewell, the water table in India has gone, the water table in Bangalore has gone down. So they just ignored it and they forgot about it. Then after a few months or years, they realized that they have not been paying that amount of zakat or amount regularly. So that night they sat and they took out all that amount and settled it and said, we're going to pay, and came back. Next day when they're going to the shop, the water was flowing out of the shop and coming onto the road. So their workers came and said, shutter was down. Sir, something is happening, some big issues there, water is coming out of the house, out of the shop. So when they raised the shutter and saw that well, which had dried up, the water was flowing up out of it, you know that. So remember, the water in your borewell, water in the well, all these blessings are from God. As long as you are regular with charity, you're taking care of others, God takes care of you, okay? So please, prayer and regular charity also is very important. Thank you so much.
Encouragement and unwavering commitment towards education have played a vital role in shaping the future of countless young minds and strengthening the foundation of our institution. With these lines, I would like to invite a respected mentor and inspiring leader and the Honorable Chairman of GIET, Mr. Nawaz A. Sharif, to deliver the presidential address. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है.
I take this opportunity to convey my feeling to Dr. Saleem that I've been a big fan of him and his administration. I've been following him from 25 years, and especially when the Bangalore traffic set was done and he took all the critics and he took a bold decision. And it's not easy being a bureaucrat, being clean, utmost integrity, flawless service. We are really proud to have you, sir. The college is in fact proud to, and the students in fact resonate the proudness with you. So while honorary secretary addressed and our chief guest also addressed the importance of how students should look at their career, I take this opportunity as a chairman, which I became 2 months back through the legacy of Haji Nabi Sharif Saab, 1962, a visionary who thought of women empowerment, which every speech I try to address this, and taken by late Dr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan, a visionary again of Alameen movement, followed by late Dr. Ahmed Siraj Sharif, who was my father-in-law. After him, I became the chairman, and the intent is to take the legacy forward and try to do the good works they are doing. I want to be very brief and saying that apart from all the career opportunities which Dr. Saleem sir had said and Mr. Umar also had said, I always tell this to the fellow youngsters that in this last 15 years to 20 years, the shape of entrepreneurship, the wealth created by the youngsters is far more than the wealth which was a legacy wealth. So please focus on your career, do what is right, especially we are in an era where AI is becoming a challenge. It can be a boom and it can be a challenge to all the students. Please take utmost advantage of the career. You guys are studying in one of the best institute, and as faculty, as chairman, as secretary, we're always accessible to you guys for any kind of an help and any kind of a guidance. I wish you guys all the best. I'll not take more time, and have a great evening. Thank you.
शुक्रिया आपका, जो आए तो खुश ऐसा बात बन गई. शुक्रिया आपका जो आए तो कुछ ऐसी बात बन गई, महफिल में आपकी मुस्कान रोशनी की सौगात बन गई। ये लम्हे यादगार हैं आपकी मुस्कुराहट से सजे, ये लम्हे यादगार हैं आपकी मुस्कुराहट से सजे, आपकी मेहरबानियों की शुक्रगुजार हम सब हैं। ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, प्रिंसिपल, स्टाफ एंड स्टूडेंट्स, आई होल हार्टेड थैंक्स टू यू सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। और honorary secretary साहब जनाब उमर इस्माइल खान साहब is a young and energetic personality who always guiding us to take up the extracurricular activity in addition to academics. He is a guiding source to carry out this type of activities in Ghousiana group of institution. Your numerous service can be acknowledged only by mere thanks. Thank you very much, sir. Our chairman, Mr. Nawaz Sharif sir, is a very enthusiastic person. Immediately in action after the demise of our beloved late Janab Dr. Ahmad Sharif Siraj sir for the development of our institution, and also president of today's program, on behalf of principal, staff and students, a heartfelt thanks to you sir. Our beloved dynamic principal Dr. N.S. Kumar sir, dynamic leader who take up the Ghousiana team not only in academic but guiding us to improve co-curricular activities in the campus and institute, received a lot of awards under his leadership, deserves to receive our respectful thank. Thank you very much sir.
Sir, he helping a lot, Saifullah, and I request our AO to honor.
And winner is Noor Suhana. Islamic is for girls. Saga Khabar. Islamic quiz for boys. Winner Faraz Akram and Muhammad Fadduz. Math for boys. Muhammad Saif Ali. Winner Math for girls. Misbah Anjum and Saida Ruhane Siraj. Saida Rushane Siraj, Misbah Anjum and Saida. Miss Glitteria. Winner Ashwini T. Gadak. Ashwini T. Gadak. Miss Glitteria, Ashwini T. Gadak, winner and runner Azra Mehreen. Sharif and runner Saqib Khan. Students be ready, come fast. Yaqub Ahmad Sharif and Saqib Khan. Technofest rule the game. Mohammad Junaid Beg. Mohammad Junaid Beg. Antakshari event winner Gangadhar K and runner Abhishek MP. Gangadhar K. Solo song Ajay BL, runner Apurva. Solo song event, winner Ajay BL and runner is Apurva. Solo dance winner Guru Baswaraj, Krishna RH. And runner is Mahendra. Super minute. Super minute. CS Manasa. Mahendra CC. Craving Corner. Winner Alina and runner Mohammad Yasin Nawaz, captain, along with your team members. Come fast. Cricket winner team, Unstoppables. Winner team, Mohammad Yasin Nawaz. Runner team, be ready. Shahir Mirza, football winner team, GCE A team, come fast. Badminton winner, Suhan Faraz, Naved Khan. Football runner, Suhan Faraz and Naved Khan. Runners, Danush Gowda and Mohammad Rumesh. Kabaddi winner team, Digant Gowda, Manoj, Venugopal, Pradeep, Tilak Gowda, Sharat, Chandra. Kabaddi runner team, come fast. Kabaddi runner team. Volleyball winner team, volleyball runner team. Saida Rushane Siraj and Saida Afifa. Nimra Meher and Mariam Hamid. Badminton runners, Safa Anjum, Ruqayya Zainab. Chess winners, Arfa Khanam. Runners, Noor Sabah. Tug of war, Dhanushri, Bhumika, Aishwarya TH. Tug of war, runner team, Umme Roman, Shravya, Manasa, Zaira Ahmed, Preeti, Varsha, Bibi Sahira.